Convert 569 base 10 to base 2. Solution. Now, draw the table again. The number that we are supposed to convert, 569, to what base? Base 2. We write the base here also. Now we start. 569 divided by 2. You can start like this. 56 divided by 2. That is 28. Now, 9 divided by 2. That's 4. So remainder what? Remainder 1. Now we move. We divide by 2 again. 284 divided by 2. This is 142. 142. Remainder what? 0. Now we move. Divide by 2 again. 14 divided by 2. 7. So 2 divided by 2. 1. So we have remainder 0. Now, 71 divided by 2. What do we have? That is 35. Remainder what? 1. Because 35 times 2 is 70. Now, 35 divided by 2. We have 17. That will be remainder what? 1. Now, divide by 2 again. 17 divided by 2. That is what? 8. Remainder what? 1. Because 8 times 2 is 16. Then 8 divided by 2. 4. Remainder what? 0. Now we divide again. 4 divided by 2. We have what? 2. Remainder what? 0. Then 2 again divided by 2. What do we have? 1. Remainder what? 0. Then we divide again. 2. You can see. At this stage you need to observe it very well. This is 1 here. We have 2. Now the number we have here now is less than what we are using to divide. 1 divided by 2, what would that be? 0. Remainder what? The number here. Remainder 1. The final answer is going to be what? You take it from bottom to up. And that's going to be what? 569 base 10 is going to be equal to what? From down. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then we have 0, 0, 1. Base what? Base 2. That is a solution to the question.